Now these are my fourth and fifth keyboards that I have gotten from AZiO or AZiO or whatever, the MK Retro. My first I purchased, I think it was late last year. It was a open box from Micro Center. It was a gold and white, and it was just beautiful. So this past July 4th, 2019, they had some July 4th specials, 20%, 25% savings. So I was able to get these at a much reduced discount. So I got two wireless ones, and I saved about $50 or $60 on the wireless ones, but sometimes I like to go wired. Now, I was never happy with the gold and white ones. I always wanted the other version. It was another white and silver. So let me just show you this one. So this is the one I had wanted. So it went on special. This is brand new, not open box. Shipping was fast, took about 3 days to get here. And I just love these keyboards. They are just beautiful looking. They remind me of my mainframe days. And I used to actually type on a typewriter when I was in high school that was like this. They used to have the ribbon and everything. So this just brings back so many memories. This is the white one, and then I got the black one. And these are the USB versions. I have two main computers that I use, so I like to separate them and know which ones I'm working on. And these are USB because sometimes I go through a phase and I want to go from wireless to wired. So I'm going to take these out of the box so we get a closer look of the keyboard. And it's just a beautiful keyboard. I believe these are not the light up ones. These do not light up. The wireless ones, the keys light up. All right, let's take them out of the box, take a look at them. So this is everything in the white and silver trim keyboard. All the items that come in the box. Rest. I tell you, I just love this keyboard. Love it. I'm not hooking it up. Like I said, I'm just have it as a backup when I look to change out to a USB. So I'm doing just a look at. Feet do not come out. Okay. Turn it around. We measure the keyboard. Okay, it measures about 18 inches long from end to end, and from top to bottom, about 6 inches. It's a really nice keyboard. Let me measure the USB cable. I think I did that, but let me do it again. So the USB cable is about 70 inches or 5 feet 10 inches long. Now let's open up the black one. Oh, well, let me just show you. It has the keyboard, the really nice look. Let me do a close-up look. It is, I love the keyboard. I really like it. This is the black and silver version. This is what comes inside, just like the white one. I really love typing in this. Just to give my opinion, I love typing on this. Again, it reminds me of the old days when I used to type on the typewriters that were like this, and the mainframe clickety-clack type of keys. I have no problems keeping within the keys. I don't fat finger anything. I really, really like this keyboard, and I hope to have it for a really long time. That's why I purchased the USB version and the wireless, so I have both. But I like them a lot, both of them, very, very much. And if it helps, it's just the look. It's just nice. It makes me feel good when I sit at my desk and I see the keyboard. It's just beautiful. Very, very nice keyboard, or keyboards, I should say. All right, so I hope this video helps. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.